Look guys, this is called the moa that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all guys? I believe you guys are fine, right? Guys, today I'm gonna show you something very unique that you get here in the street of Kolkata. It's called the moa, right? And you probably get that only in West Bengal, Kolkata, right? It's an authentic, dish. It's called the moa, right? So that brother sits right over there. So I'm gonna go and explore and speak to this brother. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please subscribe and let's go explore this place. Let's go, guys. Okay, so I'm in an environment called the Dalhousie, right? This is that's the main road right in front. As you can see, the cars are going, right? That brother sits right over there, right? And the environment looks like this, right? So let's go and speak to this brother here. So look, guys. This is the Bengali authentic dish, right? It's called the moa. So hello brother, apni kerom achen? How are you? Bhalo, bhalo. Okay. So what are you selling? Apni ki bikri korchen ekhane?
মোয়া জয়নগরের মোয়া
জয়নগরের moa, right? এটা Bengali dish to? Okay, good.
ঠান্ডার টাইমে পাওয়া যায়
Okay, so you only get this in the winters.
গুড় দিয়ে বানায়
Okay, so it's made out of jaggery, syrup. It's called the khejur gur. It's made out of jaggery, syrup, and you only get this in the winters, right? Look, guys, this is how it looks. It's called the moa, right? And apni
প্যাকেটও একটা থাকে না এরকম প্যাকেট করে হয়
oh, they even parcel this in a packet. So if you want, look, guys, it's called the moa. Okay, so you make this by yourself, apni nije theke banan eta?
না কারিগর আছে
Okay, so apnar karigor, right? Okay, so he has workers, right? So they make this, and you only get this in winters, right? It's called the moa. Look, guys. So basically, he has this very big, clay pot here. So he has this moa inside this pot. Eta ki moa? Okay, so this is how it is, guys. So look, guys. This is the jaggery syrup.
পাটালি এটা পায়েস পায়েস হয়
Okay, so this is made out of jaggery, right? Is made out of what do you call this? This jaggery syrup. Look, and they make this moa with this jaggery syrup, right? So I'm gonna request them to open this and show me, for a second. Dada, etake ekbar khulben. So look, guys, you only get this in the winters, right? So this is how it is. Look, guys, it's called the moa. You only get this here in West Bengal, right? In Kolkata, right? This is how it is. And he even sells, different kind of, sweets here. So what's this, brother? Eta ki ache dada?
ওটা ওই গুড় দিয়ে বানায় চালের আটা আর গুড়
Oh,
Chalir atta.
this is made out of flour and this gur. Gur is this one, this is the jaggery. It's made out of sugarcane, juice, and that's how they make this, right? This is how it is, guys. Look, you only get this in West Bengal. It's called the moa, right? Look, guys, this is truly authentic Bengali dish that you get here in West Bengal. Etao dekaben, can you please show this? Look, guys, it's the same. So what's the difference?
বিক্রি হয়ে গেছে
Dada, eta ota ki difference
Aki,
ache?
aki.
Same. Oh, guys, this one and that one is the same.
ও স্পেশাল ওটা এর থেকে আরো ভালো
It just the pot is different, right? This is the big pot, mud clay pot. That's the small, medium mud clay pot. This is how it is. Okay, so you come from very far, probably. আপনি অনেক দূর দিয়ে আসেন না?
হ্যাঁ এখান থেকে ট্রেনে করে 1.5 ঘন্টা লাগে
Oh wow, guys!
শিয়ালদা থেকে
Right, this brother comes, this brother.
সাউথে
Okay, so this brother comes from south of Kolkata, right? And he travels like about 1.5 hour in the train, and he brings all this in the train, and he travels from very far, right? 1.5 hour in the train. That's how he gets here, and he sells this, authentic Bengali dish. It's called the moa, right? Crazy, guys. So if you tried this, you let me know, right? It's called the moa, guys. You only get this here in West Bengal, Kolkata, right? This is how it is.
আপনি কোন চ্যানেলে দেখাবেন এটা
YouTube, dada.
ইউটিউব
Right, yeah. So guys, and what's this? এর উপরে কি আছে? এটা topping? Kismis.
এটা এটা আছে কাজু
Look, guys.
কাজু
And the topping is the kismis. Kismis is the dry raisin.
কিশমিশ
Look, guys.
ক্ষীর আছে ক্ষীর কাজু আছে
This is the moa, right? That they make, and the topping is the cashew and the dry raisin. Kismis. In Bengali, you call
ক্ষীর
this
আছে ক্ষীর
kismis. Right, brother. Thank you. So this is what it is, guys. You know, this is the authentic Bengali sweet. Guys, and the craziest part is that you know
জায়গাটা রাইটাসের পিছন লায়ন্স রেস
Dalhousie
লায়ন্স রেস যেটা হচ্ছে শেয়ার মার্কেট বলে
share market.
আর ইংরেজিতে কি বলে
Okay,
Lions
okay,
Rest.
okay. So guys, if you want to try those brothers, you know, Moa, right? You need to come to a place called Dalhousie, the writers building. He sits
Piche.
just behind this writers building, right? And the craziest part is, guys, you know, is that this brother travels for 1.5 hour in the train, and he brings this, 2 pot, and he has most stuffs here, right? That's crazy, you know. You are a hardworking guy, man. আপনি অনেক hard work করছো, you know. That's what I'm telling my friends. Say hi to my friends. Hi বলে দাও. Hi. I just told him to say hi. He's like hi. Anyways, guys, you know, he really works hard. He travels for like 1.5 hour in the train, and he brings all this. That's crazy, guys. You know, so if you ever come to a place called Dalhousie, behind the writers building, come and find this brother here, and please do try this. It's called the moa that you only get in Kolkata, right? It's an authentic Bengali dish, right? This is what it is, guys. Okay, brother, thank you for your time. Appreciate it, man. Okay, thank you. So guys, that was it, me trying to show you the authentic Bengali dish. It's called the moa that you only get here in the street of Kolkata. So I will see you in my next vlog. I believe you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, you know what to do. Please subscribe. Yeah, love, peace. Let's make memories. Bye bye. I will see you in my next vlog. Guys, look, this brother just gave me a piece for free. That's so kind of him, right? So look, guys, this is how it looks. It's called the moa. Let me try this and tell you how does it taste like. Okay? Cheers, guys.
এটা সব থেকে কম দাম এর থেকে ভালো বেশি দামের আছে সেগুলোই বক্স
Wow. Well, the taste is like creamy and like sweet. So it's made out of rice. এটা খোয়া দেওয়ানো না খোয়া
এটা আছে গুড় আছে আর ধানের খই
খইকে
আর
ইংরেজিতে কি
খেজুর
বলে আমি জানি না।
খই চালের কি বলে রিস
Okay, guys, this is made out of some sort of a rice thing, right?
মোয়ার রিস আলাদা এর রিসটা দামি আছে বেশি দামে আছে
Okay.
এর দাম
Okay. Anyways, guys, the taste is fantastic. It's sweet in taste and it's very creamy. It's called the moa, right? Well, they make this with some sort of a rice thing and this, sweet,
বাগানেই রে ভাই
syrup. I just showed you. The syrup is right over here. Look. So they make this with the syrup here, and that's how it turns out. It's called the moa. So I'm gonna enjoy this. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye bye, guys.